Welcome to Causeway Bay, one of Hong Kong's most vibrant shopping districts. Today we'll explore Times Square, the busy shopping streets, and experience the lively atmosphere of this famous part of Hong Kong.
I am waiting for a bus at the end of the night, under street lamp, red face flamed by the light. I'm going away, I'm going away, I'm going away. And the sun gonna shine on a brand new day. Must be somewhere welcome me into the fold. Blooming flowers, as much as I can hold. I'm gone away. Well, my mind keeps drifting into memory. Something long gone keeps on coming back to me. My heart is hung up on what used to be. Time moves on and then one day ancient history. Give me just a little bit of time back, baby. Can't you see? Couldn't we just go rewind back, baby? You and me. What a shame. I think of all the years gone by, all the yesterdays for you and I. It was a flame back then, but oh my, something set ablaze when we said goodbye. Give me just a little bit of time back, baby. Can't you see? Couldn't we just go rewind that ancient history? You took a